periodic comet named Johnson has been seen at every return since its discovery in 1949, as shown in the table below. Describe any patterns that you see in the table. Well, if you notice in the occurrences are all increasing by 1. 2 to 3 is +1. 3 to 4 is +1. The years seen, those are increasing by 7. If you add 7 to 49, you get 156. 156 plus 7 is 163 plus 7. So that is the pattern that you see in the table. The year increases by 7. Each time the occurrence increases by 1. That is the actual pattern. Write the values in the second column of the table as a sequence. Identify the common difference. A sequence is just a list of numbers. So if they're asking for the second column, you just write it like this: 1949. You just put a comma between each one. You're just listing them. 1956. 1963, 1970, and it would continue. The years don't stop, so ... means that pattern would continue. The common difference is how much is being added or subtracted each time. So since we said the common difference was 7, that's the common difference. The common difference is 7. If those numbers were going down, it would be a -7, but these are going up, so the common difference is a +7. If the pattern continues, when would the comet be visible again? Well, if the last one listed is 1970, and you're going to add 7 years to that, that would be 1977 is when it would be visible again. About how many times would the Johnson comet be visible during a typical person's lifetime? Explain your reasoning. Okay, a typical person lives to be about 70 years old, and since it's being seen every 7 years, 70 divided by 7 is 10. So here would be the answer to that one, and it asks us to explain our reasoning. So a typical person lives to about 70 years old. The comet would be visible about 10 times during that time, because like we said before, 70 divided by 7 is 10. A man was born during a year in which the Johnson comet was visible in the sky. The next time the comet was visible after the man's birth year was in 2005. What year was the man born? Well, if it was visible in the year 2005, and you want to know the time it was visible before that, so instead of adding 7, you're working backwards, you're subtracting 7. So 2005 minus 7 is 1998. So that means this man was born in 1998.